Assalamu alaikum, it's Afsheen Mehman, your teacher, HST Government Girls High School, Court Road, Nawabshah. It's our physics period. I'm going to show you a presentation about the simple machines. As we all know that we have completed the lecture, but I would like to show the images to make you more clear about the simple machines. Okay, now let's start. The first simple machine which we learn in unit chapter number 9 is the inclined plane. What is the inclined plane? Inclined plane is actually a rigid plane which is kept inclined to the horizontal at a center angle, certain angle. You can see the image is showing you that it is made an angle with the help of inclined plane. Okay, you can see the compound machine pulley and inclined plane here. If you just want to see the inclined plane, just see the angle which is made here. There is another image, it is also an image of inclined plane and pulley also, but if I want to show you the inclined plane, this line shows the inclined plane. There is an angle, okay? Now the next simple machine which we learn in chapter number 9 is pulley. There are two types of pulleys which we learn. What is pulley? Pulley is a wheel with a grooved rim. Pulley is a wheel with a grooved rim. The wheel is supported in a frame which is called block. Now there are two types of pulley, fixed pulley and movable pulley. Here in this image you can see there is a wheel with grooved rim. Okay, this is a pulley. You might see these pulleys in television when there is a whale like this. This is also a pulley. Okay, now come to the kinds of pulley. The first kind of pulley is fixed pulley. You can see this is a fixed pulley. In this fixed pulley, a simple pulley is hang on we can say the fixed pulley or simple pulley. It is hanged on a suitable support with a rope passing around it. You can see the rope passing around its groove as shown. A load or weight is tied. You can see the load or weight is tied at the end of the rope passing over the pulley. While the effort is applying downwards, so there is a tension on the string. The fixed pulley, you can see the fixed pulley, the picture of fixed pulley. You can see the pulley is fixed and rope is round the groove, and there is a weight. Yes, this is another kind of pulley. This is a movable pulley. You can see there are two pulleys are working here. One is fixed pulley, another is movable pulley. Both pulleys are working together. In this movable pulley, it is pulley, one end of the rope passing around the pulley is tied to a rigid support and the effort is applied at the other end of the rope. The weight or load W is lifted to hung from the hook of the block. You can see. Okay, I am showing other images of the pulleys. You can see there is a load, there is effort, the fixed pulley, This is movable pulley because two pulleys are working here, two types of efforts are working on the load. This is also the movable pulley. Okay, now we learn about the screw jack. The screw jack. What is a screw jack? A screw jack is a simple machine which is commonly used to lift heavy loads such as motor car, etc. You have seen whenever your the wheel of your car or anybody's car is burst or want to change the wheel, they will have to use the screw jack to make car or any vehicle upside so that the tire can be changed easily. Like this, you can see there are 3 screw jacks are using to make up the bus. Okay. The last simple machine which in your text is wheel and axle. What is wheel and axle? It is very simple machine in use for many centuries for lifting heavy loads such as pulling a bucket of water from a deep well. The wheel and axle consist of 2 cylinders, one of large radius and the other of smaller radius. You can see the wheel and axle. Such type of wheels and axle are used to take the heavy load. The example is if you want to take up the bucket from the well, you have to use the wheel and axle. These are the images of wheel and axle. I hope you enjoy the presentation and you make clear your concept about the simple machine. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.